Hey everyone, it's Logan with McGard. I just wanted to give you some quick information on replacement keys for your wheel locks. We have a fully staffed, highly trained customer service department available Monday through Friday right here in the USA. Now they are ready and willing to assist you and answer any questions that you might have. One of the most common questions we get is, what do I do if I lost my wheel lock key? First of all, don't panic. We're here to help. If you've misplaced your wheel lock key and you have your ID card, you can register and order a key online at the link below or give us a call. Now if you don't have your ID card, that's no problem. We have plenty of ways to help you get a replacement key, and many times you can receive it as soon as the next day. We know in some cases you need to get your key right away, but trying to remove your wheel locks without the key could cause damage to your wheels, tires, or studs. So please, just give us a call. We're here to help. Thanks for choosing McGard.